Let's start by creating an email. I'll click into Marketing, and then click Email to create a new email campaign. We'll give it a quick name, and click Create Campaign. Here you can add your recipients from your contact list, and here's where you write your subject line. Remember, short, curiosity-driven, and no spam triggers. You can even use AI to help you out. You can also use preview text to help convince people to open your email. Now, to actually create your email, click Start Designing, and here you can start from scratch or grab a template from a huge library. When you find one you like, click Use Template. And now I'm in the editor. This is all drag and drop. You don't need to know any code. I can just click on any text and simply change it. I can swap out images. I can move blocks around. It's really intuitive. And with a button in the upper right, I can preview exactly what this will look like in somebody's inbox. That's it. We've got a professional email ready to send.